How to return. Let's take a look at the typical assembly language program. lcall field is a subroutine call. When the lcall field instruction is executed, it jumps to the field subroutine. Program continues execution in the field subroutine until the return instruction is executed. The execution of the return instruction causes the program to return to the instruction just after the lcall field instruction. The program continues execution from here. Eventually, the CPU encounters another lcall field instruction. The program jumps to the field subroutine again and continues to execute from there. When the return instruction is encountered, the program jumps to the instruction just after the lcall field. Let's examine this again. This lcall field instruction causes the program to jump to the field subroutine and return here. This lcall field instruction causes the program to jump to the field subroutine and return here. How does the same return instruction execute at a different location returns to different places? Let's look at the complete assembly listing. These are the code addresses. These are the machine codes. At the start, the program counter content is 0000. There is also the stack with the stack pointer at 07 hex. The program counter indicates the code location to pick up the instruction. Therefore, instruction fetch and execution will start from code location 0000. As the instructions are fetched and executed, the content in the program counter is incremented. Eventually, the program counter reaches 0004. Codes at location 0004 is fetched, and the lcall field instruction is executed. The execution of the lcall field instruction causes the CPU to save the return address. This is the return address. 07 is pushed into the stack. The stack pointer is incremented. 00 is pushed to the stack. The stack pointer is incremented. The return address 0007 is now in the stack. The execution of the lcall field instruction also changes the program counter content. The address of field, which is 0017, is put in the program counter. The program counter becomes 0017. The execution of the lcall field instruction is complete. Where is the next instruction? The next instruction is at location 0017. This is the location of the next instruction. The lcall field instruction has caused the program to jump to the field subroutine. The CPU continues execution from this location. Eventually, the CPU reaches the return instruction. The execution of the return instruction causes the return address to be retrieved from the stack. The address is then placed in the program counter. Stack pointer is decremented by 2 after 2 bytes are taken from the stack. The execution of the return instruction is complete. Program execution continues at code location 0007. This is location 0007. The return instruction has successfully returned the program to the instruction just after the lcall field. The program continues to run and eventually reaches the next LCOR field instruction. The program counter is 000B just before executing this instruction. The execution of the LCOR field instruction causes two things to happen. The return address is saved. The program counter is adjusted. This return address is pushed to the stack. 0E is pushed into the stack. The stack pointer is incremented to 08. 00 is pushed into the stack. The stack pointer is incremented. The return address is saved. The program counter is changed to the address of field. The address of field subroutine is 0017. The program counter becomes 0017. Execution of the LCOR field instruction is complete. The program continues to execute from 0017. Eventually, the program reaches the return instruction. The execution of the return instruction again causes the return address to be retrieved from the stack. 000E is retrieved from the top of the stack and placed in the program counter. The program counter becomes 000E. The stack pointer is adjusted to 07. The execution of the return instruction is complete. The program counter is 000E. The next instruction is fetched from 000E. The return instruction has successfully returned to the correct location. The return instruction always operates the same way. It will pick the return address from the stack and place it in the program counter.